In this module, we will look at arithmetic operators in Java. The objective is to learn what arithmetic operators are and when are they used. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment, decrement, etc. The operands must be of numeric type like integers, floating points, and chars. They cannot be used on Boolean types. Here's a table which provides a list of all the arithmetic operators, like the plus is for addition, hyphen is for subtraction, asterisk is for multiplication, forward slash is for division, percent symbol is for modulus, two plus symbols are for increment, compound assignments, which is the addition assignment, which is plus equal to, subtraction assignment, which is minus equal to, multiplication assignment, which is asterisk equal to, division assignment, which is forward slash equal to, modulus assignment, which is percent symbol equal to, and two hyphens, which is decrement operator. Here's a simple program which illustrates the use of these arithmetic operators to perform basic operations. So we have a variable a of type int, which is assigned the value of 1 plus 1. We have variable b of type int, which is assigned the value of multiplication of a with 3. We have variable c of type int, which is assigned the value of b divided by 4. D of type int, which is assigned the value of c minus a, which is minus 1, subtraction of 2 from 1. Int e is equal to minus d. It is simply negating the sign of the value that was held by d. Next, we use the modulus operator to perform division of 42 by 10. This returns the remainder, which is 2. The same arithmetic operations can be performed on variables of type double. Compound assignments. Arithmetic operator combined with assignment operator forms the compound assignment. For instance, plus equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, forward slash equal to, percent symbol equal to. It is a shorthand for its equivalent long form, and it is implemented more efficiently by the Java runtime system. Hence, it is preferred in professionally written programs. Here's a small program to illustrate the use of compound assignments. So instead of using a is equal to a plus 5, we can replace it with a plus equal to 5. Similarly, b is equal to b into 4 can be replaced with b asterisk equal to 4. So the next expression, c plus equal to a into b, is nothing but c equal to c plus a into b. The next one, which is c modulus equal to 6, is nothing but c is equal to c modulus 6. Increment and decrement operators. The increment operator, which is plus plus, increases its operand by 1, while the decrement operator minus minus decreases its operand by 1. These operators can appear both in postfix as well as prefix form. When the postfix increment is used with an assignment, the value of the operand is assigned first and then its value is incremented. When a prefix increment is used with an assignment, the value of the operand is incremented first and then assigned. The similar result can be observed with postfix and prefix decrement operators as well. Here's a program which illustrates the use of increment operators in both the postfix and the prefix form. So we have variable AA of type int, which is assigned a value of 14, and we perform the normal arithmetic operation of addition, which is AA plus 1, and the value is assigned to AB, which is 15. We have AC of type int, which is assigned the value of 15, and AC followed by the increment operator, and the value of AC now is assigned to AD, which is of type int. In this case, 15 is incremented to 16, and that value is assigned to AD. Next, we have AE of type int, which is assigned the value of 16, and we have AE plus plus assigned to AF. So this is a case of postfix increment operation where the value is assigned first and then incremented. So the value of AE, which was 16, is assigned to AF, and then the value of AE is incremented to 17. So So AF is 16, AE is 17. Next we have AG of type int, which is assigned a value of 17. We use a prefix increment operator on AG. So the value is incremented to 18, and then AG is assigned to AH. Next we have AI of type int, which is assigned a value of 18. Then AJ of type int is assigned the value of plus plus AI. So in this case, the value of AI is incremented first and then assigned to AJ. So in this case, AJ is 19. To summarize, we have learned that arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. To increment or decrement an operand, we use plus plus or minus minus operators. Compound assignments can be used as shorthand instead of its long form.